treat. I have a perfect recipe. Today we're making cake sundae cones. Let's get our ingredients. Ice cream cone, cake mix, sprinkles, and icing. Always start by washing your hands. Start off by making the cake mix. Follow the directions on the box. 1 cup of water and a half of cup of oil. 3 eggs to the mix. Let's mix it up. If you're using a mixer, ask for help. Fill up the cones with a batter. To make it easier, use a cup to pour the batter. Into the oven it goes. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Fill the icing bags with strawberry and chocolate. Mom helped me scoop the icing into the bags. Not all of it made it into the bag. It's done! Wow! Once they cool, plate the icing. Don't worry if you're making a mess. Keep trying. You'll get better. Let's warm up the vanilla icing. 10 seconds in the microwave, then spoon it on top. Here's the fun part, the sprinkles. Sprinkle it all over the tops. Ta-da! They look so beautiful. It looks like an ice cream cone. Let me try it. It's a delicious and easy treat. Try it. Goodbye, Lailah's Warners.